Yeah.
Just like you would any. Just keep a check on that fire extinguisher.
So this is running off of the propane?
No, this is electric.
Oh.
That's what heated this up.
Yes.
That's electric. Your furnace runs off propane. Your oven, stove run off propane. Your hot water
That's
heater.
electric.
This is electric. Next thing I'm going to show you. Smoke detector.
Yep.
9-volt battery. This not being in a constant temperature like in a house.
Right.
With a smoke detector.
Yeah.
Being outside, inside, hot, cold with humidity, things of that when this isn't being used.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on your 9-volt battery in it. I
Change
change
it out.
mine out about every 3 months. And the reason I do is I don't want it to corrode, and the reason it's not like in a house in a constant temperature.
Okay.
You know, this will get
Gotcha.
hot, this will get cold, hot, humidity, moisture. That's why I do that.
Okay.
Okay? Down low right there where the green light is. That's your CO2 alarm. Okay?
Okay.
The reason why it is low
Or
in a camper.
CO2 or CO? Carbon
CO.
monoxide?
Yeah.
Okay.
What it is, the reason it's low, propane gas, 9 out of 10 times, 9.9 out of 10 times is what's going to set that off. It's a heavy gas.
Yes.
That's why.
Okay.
If it does ever go off, open the camper up, shut your propane down, go out. When you hear it go to a beep and a pause, beep, pause, come back in, hit your reset on it. It'll go through its little cycle. Green light comes back on, come on back in. Obviously find out where your propane leak is.
Okay.
In that.
All right.
Okay? Remotes. Radio. On this. Can do everything here that this does. Alright? On this. You got your AM, FM. You got Bluetooth here. With your phone. So you can set your phone up on this Bluetooth.
Yeah.
And listen to music. If you have music on your phone, listen to it through your speakers on this.
Nice.
You can also, when you're doing that, you can have your plug into your phone. You got a outlet right here for your
USBs?
hookup. Yep.
USBs?
Plug it in so you're keeping your phone charged. You're not having to worry about it.
So how many USB ports are there? Just the one, or?
On this one, you've got 2 here. On that one, I know you've got some in your bedroom. Bedroom's up here.
Okay.
By your TV hook up there.
Yeah.
Those are the only 2 I see in this one.
Okay. Well, the reason we asked is that we just bought a 6-port.
We have a lot of things that need to
Charger.
be charged.
Well, that's my wife.
Yeah.
And what she does is she runs Fire Sticks on the TV.
I don't know what that is.
It's like a memory stick you plug in the side of the TV.
No, this one runs
Grabs.
set up behind it. It's almost like a satellite thing, like
Yeah.
a Roku.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Basically, is what it is.
It's a
Yeah.
transceiver.
Yes.
Hmm.
That's what my wife runs. Now on your TV, this right now is running local channels off air.
Oh.
You've got your wind guard antenna always spinning,
Yeah.
looking for it. This is on air right now.
Okay. Oh, look at that.
Behind this, we're hooked in right here on your bottom one.
Okay.
Okay, that's for cable and air. Right there's a little button. You see that green light?
Yeah.
There's a little button there. That went off. This should have froze.
Yes.
When that light is off is when you're hooked up to cable.
Okay.
Or if you're running a Roku or a Fire Stick, something of that nature.
Okay.
When in, you're running your air, just local channels.
Wow.
So every time you go to a campground, when you hook up, whether you're running your air TV like it is right now or your cable, you'll have to go to menu and run your auto scan on it,
Okay.
so that you're picking up the channels
The local
wherever
channels.
you are.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, if you have a satellite and you're hooked up to a portable satellite like I showed you outside, that's when you'll unhook this front one and you'll hook up on the top. You'll unhook this You'll
Yeah,
put
right
it
up
there.
there. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want me to video that, Jim? Can you remember?
I think I can remember.
You
that.
got it? All right. Okay.
Okay. Come on.
It's got all your hookups on
You
it.
get RGB back here, plus HDMI,
Yep.
plus another.
So, I have a question. This runs solely on
It's
electricity?
also got
Yes.
digital audio.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
And it
strictly-
doesn't draw much electricity? It's not bad at all?
No.
Isn't
There's
that
your
funny?
remote for it
Huh. And that's all that's heating this space now?
at this present moment.
Huh.
Now, if you're running this, if you're cold camping, as I call it, where you're in cold weather, like we are right now, getting down freezing weather at nighttime, and you're cold camping, have your furnace on, running off your propane. The reason I say that, your heat comes out of your floor on these.
Mm-hmm.
You'll have your
Yeah.
coming out of those. So your piping for your heat's underneath, covered by your underbelly. So in doing such, when you're running that propane heat, even if you just set it at 60, 58, whatever it
You're
be,
heating the floor and
what
the
it's
heat's running.
doing is keeping all your pipes
From
underneath
freezing?
warm from freezing.
Yeah. Makes sense. Because it would be
That's
very
right.
tempting to just run that because it's nice and warm.
But see, if you're cold camping, you're going to need to keep your furnace on just to keep those. And if you're if you're cold camping as well, you're going to need to insulate your water hose.
All right, so cold camping is